How smart is it to go to bed with the phone? The impact of short-wavelength light and affective states in sleep and circadian rhythms. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research and further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Human sleep is highly vulnerable to external and internal influences. This study investigated the impact of evening short-wavelength light on sleep and circadian rhythms. Here, the researchers demonstrate full sample where polysomnography and body temperature were recorded during 3 experimental night and subject reading for 90 minutes on a smartphone with and without a filter or from a book. The researchers assessed light-induced changes due to evening smartphone use with and without filter in comparison to reading a book under dim light conditions. Additionally, they investigated whether a blue light filter is able to attenuate light-induced effects. Furthermore, the impact of positive and negative effect states in the evening on subjective and objective sleep quality were assessed. These results confirmed the earlier findings, indicating reduced slow-wave sleep and activity in the first night quarter after reading on the smartphone without a filter. The same was true for the cortisol waking response. Although subjective sleepiness was not affected, the evening melatonin increase was attenuated in both smartphone conditions. Accordingly, the distal proximal skin temperature gradient increased less after the short-wavelength exposure than after reading a book. Interestingly, the researchers could unravel within this full dataset that the higher positive efficacy of the evening predicted better subjective but not objective sleep quality. The results showed disruptive consequences of short-wavelength light for sleep and circadian rhythms, with a particularly attenuating effect of blue light filters. Furthermore, affective states influence subjective sleep quality and should be considered whenever investigating sleep and circadian rhythms.